You might be wondering or maybe a little bit suspicious about whether or not Wealthy Affiliate has some like sneaky upsell that they try to push on you later on, because they do have a free plan that you can get started with. And so you might be suspicious, like, hey, maybe the free plan is really bad. And then, they try to give you some like massive upsell later on where you have to take the upsell. Well, let me tell you about the upsell on Wealthy Affiliate. So they do have an upsell from the free package, the starter plan, to the premium one, where, the whole point of starter is for you to get an idea of whether or not you like the training and tools on Wealthy Affiliate and how serious you are about starting your own online business with affiliate marketing and blogging. So it's to give you an idea so that you don't waste your time, you don't waste your money, and you see if you actually want to stick to this thing. And then once you do, you go to premium, where you actually get all the tools and training you need to be able to start and scale a successful, affiliate marketing blog. Now, there's also an upsell. Technically, there is an upsell from the premium to premium plus, but it's not forced on you, and there's no you don't have to do it. It's just a little bit of extra training. There's, instead of weekly classes, you get daily classes, and you get a few more tools. But that doesn't mean that you can't be completely successful with premium, because, what really matters is how much effort you're willing to put in and how consistent you are. So Premium Plus is really for people that are already scaling, they're making money, and maybe they want that little competitive edge over everyone else with a few extra tools and some extra classes. But this is not like a lot of other affiliate marketing training programs or courses where there's some massive upsell that they sneak up on you. And, without that upsell, you can't really do much because everything else was not that useful. With Wealthy Affiliate, if you're on premium, then you don't really need anything else. That's all you need. If you compare this to another product, for example, like Legendary Marketer, that has the famous 15-day online business builder challenge, then, that's a $7 entry, but they try to upsell you to the business blueprint for $2,500. And the thing is, if you just go through the 15-day business builder challenge, you get the basics, you get the background of what you need to set up a business, but you don't get all the details, you don't get all the support, which is what you get with the blueprint. So it feels almost like you have to get the blueprint if you're a newbie and you don't really know what to do. Whereas with Wealthy Affiliate, once you get the premium, then you don't have to ever upgrade if you don't want to. So I hope that answers your question. And if you do want to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use the link in the description. Now, you might be wondering if, there are any extra costs on top of this subscription, whether it's premium or premium plus. Like, once you sign up to premium, do you really get everything you need? And is there anything else you might have to spend money on if you want to have a successful blog? I'm going to answer that question. Just click the video showing up on your screen.